Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you step by step how you can create a new project in your account on Jira. So let us dive right into it without any further ado. So head over to Jira and log into your account. And after that, guys, simply head over to that panel here on the left hand side, and here under projects, you may, for example, expand your already created projects by clicking into that arrow down icon. Or if you'd like to create a new one, simply click into that plus button here, create projects, or click into more projects here. After that, click into view all projects, and that is going to redirect you to that list of projects. So here you may create a new one by clicking into that button here. After that, use one of the available project templates here to the left. You may go with categories like IT, for example, or design, or software development, and so on and so forth, or use a template that has been selected based on your interests. Like, for example, I've been working on a Kanban, so let me create another Kanban project based on a Kanban template. So let me go with that one here. After that, you may read through that description here. However, let us skip that to not bore you. So let me click into use template here to use that template for our project. And last but not least, also choose your project type, like team managed for example. And yeah, after that, click into that button at the bottom and give your project a name, like, I don't know, my team Kanban or something like that. Confirm your project type below. Set the accessibility here, like open, private, or limited. Let me keep it at open. And that's basically it, guys. Confirm if you're content with your setup by clicking into next here, and that is going to create your project based on that template here. So give it a moment. And here, guys, before you launch your new project, as you can see, it has been created and get redirected to it. You will be asked to invite project members to your project by entering their email addresses here and by assigning also a member, like administrator, member or viewer. Now you can also skip that or send an invitation by clicking into that button here. Let me skip that. And that's it. As you can see, my new project has been added to that list of projects here to the left. So here you can start adding boards, calendars, timelines, add tasks, subtasks, and so on and so forth, like lists and forms to our project. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.